Hello, the weather is going to present us with some challenging conditions to get Tuesday underway, whether it be wintry, wet or windy, wherever you are. Some disruptive snow possible across the northern half of the UK, further south at the worst of the rain. This is the area of low pressure responsible. This weather front set to push from west to east through the day. For Scotland, the rush hour looks particularly difficult. 5 to 10 centimetres of snow possible across the Highlands. Even through the central belt, though, we're talking about 1 to 3 centimetres. Further south, again, 5 to 10 centimetres across the Peak District and the Pennines. For Northern Ireland, perhaps the worst of the snow pulling away to the east by this stage, 8 a.m. But nonetheless, we could see 5 to 10 centimetres of fresh snow here by the end of the rush hour. Snow as far south as the Midlands as well, and falling across the higher ground of Wales. Further south into England, it's mostly rain that we're talking about, but that will be accompanied by some pretty strong and gusty winds. Difficult driving conditions, disruptions certainly likely. Do stay tuned to your BBC local radio station for all the details. Here goes our front pushing eastwards through the day. Some snow, as you can see, possible as far south as the Midlands for a time. Mostly rain by the time that front gets into eastern England, though, through the afternoon. Brighter skies following on behind, some snow showers for northern and western Scotland. A chilly day. Highs of just 4 or 5 degrees. That front's quite keen to get off into the continent, though. Tuesday evening, clearing skies mean falling temperatures, frost developing, and widespread ice could be a definite problem first thing on Wednesday. The blue behind me showing the areas that are likely to get the hardest frost. By the end of the night, though, it looks like things are going to try and become a little bit milder. That's just an indicator, basically, of our next weather system pushing its way towards the British Isles. And with that system bumping into the cold air and running over cold ground, it looks like we'll see some further snow, particularly for Scotland and northern England, but turning back to rain through the day as milder air tries to come in from the southwest behind the weather system. So double figures actually for Cardiff and Plymouth through Wednesday afternoon. And then that weather system, very much like its predecessor, off into the continent very quickly through Wednesday evening. And then for Thursday, leaving us with a westerly airstream, some milder air starting to finally push its way across the British Isles.